Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Manchester United have suffered a shocking defeat in their Premier League opener, losing 2-0 away to newly promoted Hull City at the MKM Stadium. It was supposed to be the beginning of a season filled with big expectations for United, but instead, Michael Carrick's team produced a disappointing performance that will raise serious questions. Manchester United actually started brightly. Luke's strike was saved by Hull goalkeeper Konstantinos Tzolakis. Moments later, Matheus Cunha also tested the Hull keeper, but once again the hosts stood firm. Hull City then showed exactly why they deserved to be in the Premier League. In the 17th minute, a dangerous corner exposed Manchester United's weakness at set pieces. Oli McBurney's effort was pushed away by Sen Lamens, but Ajayi reacted quickly to fire home the rebound. The MKM League goal in 9 years. United tried to respond, but their attack lacked urgency and creativity. Youri Tielemans and André Santos struggled to make an impact, while Hull continued to look dangerous. Then came another huge blow for Manchester United, as Nobel Mendy scored Hull's second goal before half-time. At 2-0 down, United faced a massive uphill battle. Despite their ambitions of challenging for the Premier League title, there was little evidence of that quality on display. For Hull City, however, this was a historic and unforgettable victory. They were missing 10 players through injury, yet still managed to defeat one of England's biggest clubs. The pressure is now on Michael Carrick